Hello guys, welcome to the channel Data Visual. Today I am going to show you how we can import CSV file into the Google Sheet. So let's begin. I have one CSV file at my desktop. Here you can see the name as startups. Now I will show you how to import. First we have to type Google Sheets in your browser. Then click on the first link, online spreadsheet editor. Then you can see here go to sheets options. You can click on the go to sheets, so you will direct to the Google Sheets, or else you can click on this have Google Apps button and you will find out the sheets button here. So click on the blank button, so blank spreadsheet will be open. So you have to click on the first cell and then click on the file and click on import. So here are the some options to import files into this Google spreadsheet. So I have to upload from my computer, so I will click on upload and you can drag and drop here, but I will select from computer. Go to the desktop. Here is my CSV file. Click on open and your file will be imported shortly. So here are some options like import location. So I have to click on replace current sheet, so it will be replaced in my current blank sheet. So click on import and you can see our file is imported in our Google Sheet. And here you can rename our sheet, like I want to give it name as startups, and it will be saved automatically. So this is the way we can import our CSV file into Google Sheets. So guys, thank you.